I just now got done with my 8 a.m. Chinese class and look, leaves are falling. Oh, come on, leaves fall. I want to capture some falling leaves. Yo. Here I'm making stewed apples. You add apples in water along with cinnamon, cardamom and a pinch of salt and cloves. Good morning, and it is Thursday. I just came from my 8 a.m. lab. I ordered something for my bike and it arrived. So it is this thing that you keep on your bike so that you don't feel cold in snow. Like already it's so cold, like on the bike it's like multiplied by 4 times. And I dislike like cold wind. So I'll show you what I did. This is the thing that came. Like, so yeah, it has fur on the inside and it has these pockets. I didn't expect these pockets, but they're there. And then, so it's a straight thing. When I'm sitting, I'll insert a picture or I'll like put a video ahead how I look when I am using it. This flap is supposed to go around my face, and then I'll be sitting here, so this will be on my body. Yeah, this is supposed to cover my legs. It has things so that I can tie it to my legs, but I don't think I'll have time for that when I'm going to class. And you tie them here. So when I'm sitting, my hand goes in from here and I'll be holding the bike from the inside. So my hands will be protected, my body will be protected, also my face and legs. So I think it's very convenient and useful for winter. And I dropped my keys. That's it. Now I'll go home, have my breakfast, and I have next class at 4 p.m. So I'll do my works, edit video, and yeah, see you later. I am here at my friend's place for lunch, and this is lunch, and the dessert is under preparation. What are we having for dessert? Custard pudding, it seems. So yeah. After this we have class. Guys, my best friend got a new cat. It's so cute. It's just kitne saal ki hai? 2 months. It's just 2 months old. Where did it go? Meow. Oh, here it is. Meow. It's ragdoll species. And it's supposed to be like the most dog-like species. Idhar aa bhai. Dude, now it's doing that. It's looking at its own reflection. Such a cutie. It makes me feel like getting a cat.
Maybe after you hear me complaining, you.
Cute. It's so cute. Aww. Guys, it's been raining for like the entire day. Today is Sunday and it's raining. Honestly, this weather is making me feel so lazy. That's it for this week's video. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And turn your post notifications on so you get notified every time I post a video. Bye guys.